Badwam Mpensenpensenmu ebeto aso de abamo ene ye betwe nkomo de afa adwadie ene emfidiyuma asoeye Trade and Industry Ministry use verse na kakra bi entem ne nkomo a ye nyina de ano a ye di oyedwam the rate at which anema bo ekosoro ye mam amanfo su ekam said the beer becodrum bia near to near my boom. I may be cross or more Krumukuran because one have me also a boom. Fortunately for us, Deputy Minister for Trade and Industry, the new Patriotic Party Member of Parliament manager for New Job in South, and also the parliamentary candidate for 2024 elections for New Job in South. Michael Okyere Baafi, of Jimmy Bechi, and Enkomo. On a community, so you're in charge of industries. Tene chewe bia kumono ebefa oboko de
boko mira na we
nyamiadom
efie de
efie boko ministry boko de
nyamiadom
constituency sheye
we are trusting God nyame ene ye di ni ye pa
okay
so far radio adom ye yente boni bia
ya de yamiase with a straight jacket and motubi na ministry to the afa edwedefo how
yo dedi kan me da se be me de ncha kese ma motiefo ene monpanifo mo hwe fidie so ana sanso ana me chia me krom kufudiafo nyina lititu pa ene kufudiafo nyame ahira mo a mo bibi enwuma ema kufudiafo ni binya biye nyame nhira safo nyina chia mo nyame nhira mo na nyame ntom nsem se de be ambunya ska bibi ne mo bie enwuma no matetrem na kufudi afo nya biaye na kufudi tumpon question na obisa me no efa niema mo edin kakao kana me gidi se didi kan o se tiase se Ghana ye career signa ho okay over the period no for some time now niema mo etahwe wo wiase nya kakra me nka se enunti ye be fa ye ho adi baby but just a Ghana ye can a wiase enyina ho and a community or committee of nations ye can ho enti bibia ebeto obi baabi no timi ehon from ati bo bae te ka se bia se America for omo hwinsia ye eti anu ne bia na yenya eti pae na yenya cold enti se wote Ghana ha na hu sa na wo didi ka wote se Ghana can wiase nyina ho na ye wo wiase no bi na ye ka kro wo wiase mo ntino ye nsusa ne ma na ebi tutu ye enti na ma ne me mo edi kakra de tosme no me gidi se ye nyina enim de asisi wo nsuo so kro bi mu te se Yemen wo hu nsuo o da mo ye se ebi anka enema ye betibi de afie brochira ba Ghana ebia 6 weeks na wo tweme nsia na kadema na bedu Ghana no e be say be take be 3 months because of the situation I work once the first power could Dubai crab by air nanka you go straighter na about 7 hours but say also omo chinchin ko fan chen e be South Sudan omo issues nti omo ko for baby na ama kwantu na wa eno ye wi mu asem but me ka ship I fani ma ba won so nti eno kan bi na ama enema ayedin because say anka I will say enema ye di fie brochire ba ebedu Ghana ha na ye 6 weeks then nti ko nwan ya na ekokoye 3 months and I say it just say freight charges transportation na meka ebekoso ekosoro omo de nema ne ba no omo be ka nema no ebo no because otuani do say de ka nema no bo no ama consumer no final consumer no na ho akọkye no kan obi ene bio Ghana so see how we dey Ghana the population no class as a percentage of the population no so your taste for foreign goods so akosoro and no see another thing to was that first pan bia Ghana ye nyina pese tokoko num da bia no pa is it da bia pese ko to ye to duane ai bia efie bruchiba nya ye e wo ha your taste for foreign and also ama San Yamana to Yama.
I even a report to be a MSB last week, which is saying 64% of Africans love Africa, but only 14% pen say eto Africa near.
That's the truth now. In Ghana, importation of foreign goods have become at the end of the day now. Want me and yeah, try through the interventions idea, but say be a 1D one of a policy idea, but yeah, try say and then yeah set up industries. I Ghana ha I be near ma and it be competing with temperature near mano. And think of be air train eba abeto dem wa. And yes sir, the baby prefer some better inema if we butchaba. And also ema nema ebo kosoro. This is some of the things we member also who now and yes a ministry transit medical culture say ministry where ministry share a dready any fidijuma and some so yen transit nka say enema ebo kosoro nti be transit ahwedi they also ye bia wo kire no abide through the Ministry of Trade and Industry
okay so nti dwadini a wo tie me no won hwe se de na abide through the ministry
so do abide the friend who say ye wo institutionalized program my friend or public-private dialogue. Afibia.
Okay.
And they say no yet semukra.
Okay.
That's somehow you say no. Now we want to treat it different in a different way. Sa public-private dialogue na no.
Okay.
Private institutions and I say private investors and businessmen omne abanshia edinkomo ne afadwin. They say the Ministry of Finance in the Jimbi.
Oh, okay.
And the article last week, 24th May, one meeting at Labadi Beach Hotel. It was so phenomenal. It went so well. I mean, it me Edwin Jane Yahoo. Business no count bluntly. The here and I'm facing challenges facing with the taxman, challenges facing with other investigative institutions or investigations and other audits or when you know and how we can also maximize resources in the name of taxation. So we get to be my need to be nyato it's coming be dear buya mine. Okay. Ministry of Finance and Minister of Finance, the Ministry of Finance and name Atikobi me Dr. Mpabi or Deputy Minister for Finance, you be a co-chair of that committee. On the ease of doing business. So the be a JD any in Kitaudia private sector no one ebe koso. Okay. Now it's not going to be a yearly routine, but be a monthly. Meaning say every month we should be to meet. Na in fact hu mu share in how na yen try say be solve problems amom we ebe boama edwedie ene the dwuma koso we be boama obi a onti bi asibiti ebisa we be boa ama bayet mi ehu de o say ye ne de boa dwedifo edwedifo ema dwedie koso say de be o mbe han hu say se dwedie ankoso ama enipa mu di dwa ho ahehan omo a ebe affect timemfo ko timemfo ne ebe nyam ho faso to and yes affect you so ultimately be affected abino. And that's not what we want as a government. The Biamika say the intentions of government is not, I mean, to suppress businesses. Nya buying ebutaye and trim poro. A buying trim upon yes or my jumen in a goo or my jumen in a watcher or my jume be out down na yes and a buying trim upon. A buying trim upon say or my jumen in a coso. Obama discussion jumum. Okay. What we call returns on or return on investment. Okay. They'll be able to get very good returns on
investment. The entry says, sir, meetings here, ebe kosibit me aboama sometime to come no. Sao ye here a dreadful year na ye did your word for no. Apart from Kakrama.
Government is doing everything possible. That's the ultimate intention. No, yeah. Sabay. Ebe yire ne ho a be mankofo ye be ma mo ha bind the roadmap ya to dwa.
Okay.
In the area of taxation, for example, so bind say a port system you say one stop shop.
Okay.
Ya share Ghana Revenue Authority for chinching so mo nyesa say the be ya ne beti akoso a obi enkofa ha nko aban so asan hye Ghana Revenue Authority for ene nkofo mkeka ho a omo ne Ghana Revenue Authority for ye adwuma boa edwedie ne mfidie se ye yi niam a port wie a na ye hwe ne mani nyina wie be 2 weeks ne hu se onipa we watu ne duty when bibia wie na otu ne car fi port ho a obi a ha no kwam bio.
Okay, so this issue about say my baba yi me niam a port me the free tema e
Kumase
a quantity no masako share the same custom for na hwe me niam
ne say yi niam nyina
say yi niam nyina go from ebi no mabie
aban nhye dia basisia no ensibio nhye new one na dia ba last week Minister for Finance, the Minister for Trade and Industry omo yes our dialogue we ye nyina ya ba afadwen say that is not the way to go.
Okay,
we ma ededie enkoso sanse say onipa akranema ona obi akra me febuchira ba anase wato nema aba na Ghana Revenue Authority for e de be 1 week ayi nema nyina hwem ahu se nema odi ba eni we o se wetua sei obeye sei why sa nema nyina wie na Ghana Revenue Authority for passing and said now you can leave.
Yeah,
now pie ko no bisa ko han okwan so like say aban is being insensitive to the trader or to the importer. Esa emma onipa ni jip kwa so obey business because the sika nyina kokoshe sa enemu a they not be business ni bio enu ntina aban edison share abano
me say meeting na customs for can because I quite remember say some time ago me share custom pen for no no so can here say on be some ye double check emi ehun say checks na ye wo port wonum na it would you near ma so the free etema akokumase no eye pepepe anything so be do one more on be so yi near mani nyina edigu wonum custom for na tia say sa feri aje to say my man tell nyina kwan
Ghana Revenue Authority custom for ka ho
yeah
ena ye nim bebre beba enchebia ye be mankofo nyina well eye the fear na ye won ye omo use Ghana as a landlocked country.
Yes,
and as omo ye transit point e dey akono ena ye fear ni say bia onima na kwa na instead of so the money come back never so no no aton Ghana ha that is the fear and as say or your free zones company for example now we yinima no or your commercial business under free zones e bia or say or they call saying port no the port of entry e bia or the money call gonokrom or they call sampa or they call flower border or koton as a free zones company but na nima na nkodu na ya ton kan na say aton enti na custom for the person mo hwese and then man e call na pass no one wom.
Okay,
see that these are some of the things but note say ningine mu no Ministry of Trade through one of our agencies and as a lead divisions business regulatory reforms omo ye ni bebre be bo amankofo ahiam business ye ni bebre enima bia BRR for no ye ni bi ye automation of the courts in Ghana district court for example said the adjudication of cases be intentem because when uye juma na there's conflict e juma meka uye juma na say unya problem bi ekwa na kokota court nko abetimi adibe ababe 3-4 years 5 years
asamba ko
na nka se wie businessman no onye very comfortable in that situation until now through BRI Ministry of Trade and Industry somebody can say ya boa court automatic courts so that they will all become automated be adwuma tentem aboa and the permit systems na permit institutions no they say ebia the friend saying lands commission they say permits fire service agencies are the permits agencies are permits with ayejuma these agencies we are boa mo ye money ye tetem so the business will become so easy to do in Ghana and they will also become more friendly because we adwuma na say adwuma no Ghana for no mo nya adwuma ho faso no omo ni je say omo ye adwuma omo nya ho faso omo ni je say enye chenchene ma wo mo a omo de ahode hwem
Minister, my crowd was some cement manufacturers from.
Cement manufacturing, we meet them as often as possible. Note, say, one will say, ministry no, yen trust them and take decisions.
Okay.
We have meetings with all agencies and as a private institutions and associations like GUTA, Association of Ghana Industry, Ghana Chamber of Commerce, all these agencies and institutions we meet them from time to time. Asia, Chamber of Cement Manufacturers, as a matter of fact, leading in the promulgation of the law for the first time in the history of Ghana, Yamama Cement Act.
Okay.
So that and never be kosu ye ama cement industry no. Inti yes say market access free, I mean free trade. I mean you want to do you can dictate your own stuff. So you decide to somehow in quote Ghana for minute so and no abain to be transfer sa.
But we see the man on the yenebo.
Yedim Ghana yenye clinker wa ha. Clinker ne ye no ye hia a capacity bi ansa na beti ya clinker.
Okay.
Cause see even in the sub region had omo beti ya clinker in Nigeria omo wo Nigeria for na e be Togo omo limestone bebre.
Okay.
Cause adwuma ba yi ansa na beti ya clinker no Ghana ye need sa capacity no in cement manufacturing be able to enti ye to clinker ne fi buchiri ne de ba. But the limestone ka kraka ho ayefa or topalu or Ghana ayefo ye de ka ho ne de omode cement yen ka say munyina ho to because clinker no import a obetua duties also ye woni me bi o ma ye say ye free so ye minister of finance egusu di nkomo de den say ni me bi a ewo taxes bi a any fees bi a ewo ba bi o clinker no ye free o say the be a cement for no betom.
Okay. Na amane bona bafo.
The internet e ma act no. Ye ma act say the be ya ombitimi and what tom in doing business. Now for the first time in the history of Ghana, cement, we have strict regulations. A regular cement. You cannot just stand up and come and set up cement company or Ghana have you. First, no, obetia sorry, unkra bia. No the okope yipi say o mehwe o ma say hoye. And no unkra bia no ibetia no say opeja cement company twam. E bi si biu o Ghana ha. O pese o ye cementa, just o fam bra kwan so. Ye yate abenyoku amenyo ba sonko bia o mohwe sa ade so o ma ho certificate and license to operate. So first you need a license to you need a license to set up a cement manufacturing company. Set up.
Okay.
Then you also need a license to manufacture cement. Two things. And the first now, be out sorry, I say, I say, and the cement company we see.
Minister Mebana, Yaba share cement for us because it's a month for is the year so high dinosaur. If you're for the bull comes cement workers rent. Dan then na 2 year to rent him. Yaba said about to a was Mulabre as boys medical crime bottom. No so if the way see never to a command. Ochna, Anapa. UEFA Champions League final no baso. Ka say sika unye twa nkwan dia obedi. Yaka cho say nipa 4 ebe win 20,000 cedis ochna. Obia 5,000 cedis each. 5,000 cedis each. Sebebinti uni akra uni tema. Now outside these regions na wotimi ma obetimi ahwe fie on Adom TV. And on so betimi win between 500 cedis to 5,000 Ghana cedis. To ochna da raje ni foso. Memfa enye agudie kura. Ochina memfa nye agudie na make sure say odu ho ehiem na nye twankwan de a obedi. Happy birthday call and from my prophet Akwasi Boate. Assemblies of God so for kese ba ko pa papa nyankopon won hira na onyo kese kopem se obeye kese pa nyame kosoma na adom no enhyren ewo woso. Then also a very good morning to the Chief Executive Officer Edema Ice Food. KB, fantastic guy by all standards. Fantastic guy by all standards. Also, Yamin Shrao, any ice food. Who storage me for Enira, also more tema. And I was some ajibre, na moshe, bedroom there, and pay. So, still on seat, a Deputy Minister for Trade and Industry, Member of Parliament, Malaysia, new job in South Constituency in the Eastern Region, Michael Okyere Baafi. So, Minister, we are wrapping up on the cement. So, it says, and to me, discussion no betimi aboa ma entumu ya hodu onana
ye gusu de ye gusu we are seriously engaging them ye gusu pa ye try say on beti ase no beti Ghana fo ase no be hu se eni omo na ye adwuma say the maka no obi ene de sika be show man no ye business or a private person or ye business ye ntimi enye ne chenchen say ye say
okay
or ye adwuma o mem nenso oman no emu no obe ye adwuma wo eno ye nkofo ne be adwuma e wo say ye boa no no ye adwuma ni ye on my nkofo ho so nkyere omo no mu
okay
nti e wo say nyina ye tie ho ase ye tie ho ase saa then we can converge at a point abe boy nyina no be akufia ni age. That's exactly what we are doing now.
This issue about is companies are relocated from Ghana. Ministry officially munyan krata bi esa. Na mo bisem di entia e no kra omoko.
Yo me that's bebre we makasa ho bebre for some time now or other stations my bisame ho asem. And ya can say some of them advertise their intentions. They have advertised their intentions. Say, "Bia, omunya person fear men." Okay. Reasons on my no, very reasons. Ebi, I say, ebia on my no the ease of doing business. Some more issues who, and yet too conducive, mom. Ebi said they are not being competitive in business. Ebi no say, or more company policy. It just say, or more corporate policy. Or say, ebia one person be what ebi Africa view. No person be work West Africa bio nti e bia nya Ghana pe no mu fia ana ebinu mo so de no e bia na o kan ekosibia bia but any am you know set ase change is inevitable e we ase okay well as much as aban e ire ne ho say ye ne safo ya oma dwen say oma mbe kono de oma dikan ko okay yenim say wunim say bi mu ha oma relocated that and as fi omanim but oma adwen say omunya ombe free mu no we are still engaging them okay some of them ye no wie kra mo adwen asesa ebi ho so a oma kyan de ntia ompeso moko but ni nyina mu say be kan no eye ema oman no say oman no eye oman a yesu ye develop okay enti say ye wo sa space mu abeda ho to say bakwa efi oman na we create space bi ama oman no mpebe bo edwan ni din we create business vacuum bi ama Ghana phones it was how business ni bi wom so now it gives Ghanaians the opportunity also to build their capacity so they be ombetia a vacuum which is good for us as a country we are not against foreign direct investment and asking go for baba edwuma we man and because mostly developing countries say Ghana no foreign direct investment and Ghana and humanity because nimye because no ba with big capital investment indeed obi bat MTN and Ghana be edwuma omo diska kese ba telecel omo ba omo diska kese ba indeed obi apenesa but omo ni ho na Ghana fo bitimi so ibiti develop omo capacity to take care of the vacuum normal creating now. It's good for the country.
So about one shape to help Ghana for no monso a similar product we say ombetimi abomati mi afhele that vacuum.
The essence of a new arrangement about SME growth support by in Chibia.
Okay.
Program be buying the baba no. A buying program they say ye pese ye transitive fee baby edwuma bia enchibi ombeti ekese pa no ye bo mom to be ekese okay oh mine sense half for no e be ekese a ombe bo man ni e woni ma bebre mu one e wo a total taxes ombe to create a lot of employment among Ghana for am man edwuma ye enti aban botaye ene say e be boa edwuma a kyesa omotimi etimi abebe hyesa space a sankofo no eja to no
okay
enti me kan abisi say enye abande sekofo eko anamu film
okay
anaso omadwen so mpeso moko
okay
so bi kaka omadwen no aban ye no engage some of them matiase take retract decision na yeso ombekono ena ebi nso wo ha eyema yen asoman pese ati asesa cause oman bia no pese omunipa omunyin no mo yekese
okay
when we have businesses local investment scan nyi park kese a scan nya be come mo
sure
yen repetitive profit bia nko ba bia ba jonte ase se Ghana ninye ska bebri na Ghana ninye ska nyina atra Ghana ha osiri dan a odni nyina wo Ghana ha edan ne nko ba bia bio onya profita haye no ska no bidi no odbo ne bra enti emeska ka omanim oman no etibi tumpon kese enti de ohoro o sasem we
okay so enti yetimi a convince bi mo motimi aka omo ko no so de omoko but the concerns no omo ekono erezie no how are you dealing with those concerns because me say there because aban say no GIP is social mass
le bi omo share so omo so mo
yeah omo so de omo ankasa now omo so will start fighting say because say so ye adwuma to bring in more foreign direct investment mo so person mo boa yes e foreign direct investment but by person boa a local industries no and so mo so etimi etu
men ka say ye against foreign direct investment as a matter of fact no country in this part of the world can grow develop so well without foreign direct investment and we have big businesses because foreign direct investments eba omo even say initial capital on the grant system munya so money
yeah
and the ma oman no timi ejina na so
okay
wahu enti obia pesa afọ no
okay
enti ye bo omo aka ho ban say be ejina me kire say aban ayire no ho asa ye bi hia ebinim kakra bi a omo advertise your intention say okay yen so yinya be next year yinya be ko
okay
ne aban say no yen tia se ne hwe de ntia e bi omo say the ease of doing business and na last week 24th May aban share private sector ye share the diplomatic corps community no omo nyina ka ho diplomatic communities ye share omo nyina ene omo nyina fa adwin say ene omo kire omo adwin ne e ma omo companies omo ha omo person ko any companies na omo watch omo adwin say na e haye ene ye say o yate nkomo ene mo di wo kokwa mu no yate de mo kan wa enipa mu so yate
okay
de be ene say ye be boa mo ama mo watomo
okay
enti ye nyina ya agree say this ne ya e ma ye ho atoyin
okay
enu na ban efiase ye
what's the state of one district one factory
one district one factory the kind who say one district one factory no a private sector led initiative for government government interest in 1D1F no only for facilitation aban boa kofo multi be 1D1F companies but a private sector there into 1D1F and a one district one factory no enya banjuma
okay
yintiri enya banjuma a private sector led initiative
okay
and a private sector led initiative no under 1D1F no it can be in twofold and branches branches one greenfield businesses the business you started from the scratch
okay
e bia ne ya ne ate akwasinsia business venture and ventures now omo ye bia manufacturing of this from the scratch
okay
and yes some brownfield businesses existing businesses e bia omo hoda but either they are in crisis and they want to come back to business and I say omo expand it into wing bi omo expand no they can we can use that as 1D1F also for support
okay
that's how the 1D1F works okay. By the grace of God so far no we have almost about 321 1D1F companies at various stages of implementation okay. Ghana 321 321 companies at various stages of implementation Ghana okay. And under the 1D1F initiative 321 no 169 completed projects we are
okay so no green and brown in every count
yes both
okay
both brownfield and greenfield
okay to be one more almost starting from the scratch and omunya 1D1F support
that's right
and e be mo so brown so e betim the Casapreco company limited like
brownfield company
so mo so nya ban emu dey extension
and you know 1D1F na ban wo niam a ye masafo no
okay
aban facilitation ni bi ni say yes say e bia wo be so start business e bia greenfield business
okay
untimi nyeska uniske person for consultant I'll bet your business proposal amount. It's a buy me consultant.
Okay.
No wow. I'm why ojmanyina. Ebi you do to me now be ya. Ebi I will say uniska be adwuma no. Wo idea no ba uniska. Into pe loan. Aban young 1D 1F the Ministry of Trade and Industry.
Yeah.
Any banks be I arrangement ya partnership I from participating financial institutions PFIs.
Okay.
So participating financial institutions we know. Omne 1D 1F alkabom say yebe boa companies are omniska person mo fee 1D 1F ase.
Okay.
Enti say we 1D 1F company na ya maw company we be banks we be so banks them wow. Aban say ye mbo e betimi aboa on say bank ne beji interest 10 cedis. E was come the mouse wa aban be for half 5 cedis. No aban many half amount. Now so 1 minute kakraka.
Okay.
Enti say the be ya obi a ho betono in business.
Motis asem we say man for see your 1D 1F over 100 companies but you feel the impact.
You feel it pa na make a show. Say see bad for the 1D 1F companies some of them agebianka anka nema kwa koso kese pa sin say the boa koso kese pa see the huno. That's the truth. Some of the 1D 1F companies nema mo ye no. Okona ko hu nema mo ye na. You would think that maybe I never need about.
Okay.
And we are getting these things in Ghana.
But on price not to say.
Because there's no see yeba automotive I met it to Asembia Amwa. One say because 1D 1F companies no and business production of Ghana, manufacturing of Ghana. So import event say and never
yeah.
The import by raw materials.
Okay.
And ebia machinery and baby production.
Okay.
So machinery and raw material for production no. Aban in the policy no. Aban say with many exemptions also. They will get tax release.
Yeah.
So they be on their back ababy. You know, so when you tax reliefs also.
Yeah.
And exemptions was not their back. No or baby any business ah. Oya autonomy and neighbor bearing. Over tax beyond to so
because me the automobile industry no. Aboa yen
automobile industry there amama Ghana ye to hu yes I can
yes they started say yeah assemble cars for Ghana no because you still be me complaining cars boarding what
we are not seeing no.
Okay.
And there one go phone here.
Okay, any there
and say see the automotive development policy now ye run in Ghana ha. It's so nice so Ghana afford your who shemu ya be boy nyina till now some of the OEMs crampo ye juma direct Ghana ha like original equipment manufacturers be omo ye juma
okay
like Ghana say Volkswagen VW till Ghana afibia ye about 100,000 vehicles import 100,000 vehicles
brand new vehicles
both brand new and second
home used. Okay.
But it's brand new 30%. Okay. It's second used vehicles.
Yeah.
Be about 70%. Now, these vehicles when second vehicles no dosu.
Yeah.
And now maybe a bit tumpo obia unya abranti ababawa ewura fefe crache. Obia pese or drive brand new cars.
Yeah.
Till yeah cars were Ghana have Volkswagen. VW, omo car Ghana, Peugeot, omo car, omo assemble. All they are doing basic semi-knockdown manufacturing Ghana.
Okay.
But everyone wanna conform so because kids on the bar, I buy more exemptions also. Job the bar, omo manufacture car na car ne bo be mre. It's also a brand new car.
Okay.
It is assemble papa. It you call na say open. Cars, light trucks, and they are a co-store. Now, Oko Rana Motors, almost assemble a shock Leyland trucks.
Okay.
Oh, now Okwa, it doesn't say Omoketa, only fear brute, but a be a cano. To a tax be was soon. Inti Emma Buono cost from Inti Sebia Okoto VW, now brand new, now in Porto Eba, brand new VW, auto fit Germany. No, it be also. 20 cities at the year of Ghana and because be 10 cities and 15 cities. And
Commodore Dawson, you ever saw the deputy minister Sababi? You have ever to us near share. So far, send your munko dear old or near dreadful aid in your codify. Go ahead, a twaddy, old Jim. It's the opinion and say, yeah, ma'am, I only knew I don't know. See, because you've none of my bobber form. It is some good Sunday, a dreadful and one day, near more MMO action. Never Sababi, the Abba say. ebi abese 3-4 months in terminal ehun sunsun aso no ete say ona be da say
na me shira
mo so jobre ebe kan
that's pa
Michael Okyere Baafi, Deputy Minister for Trade and Industry, Member of Parliament Madeshe New Javan South constituency meeting the Akwesi Asia ebe say dey share background